The Big Bang Theory, as we know it, it was just a loud bang. But what is a Big Bang? And perhaps the answer lies in the James Webb Telescope. The James Webb Telescope, like any other telescope, can capture light from far away things, and it can give a glimpse into the history of that thing. And if we look far enough in the Big Bang, perhaps we can capture that light and we can see the image, and it will be something perhaps you had imagined all your life, and maybe it might be something you cannot even imagine. And we don't know. And the thing is, one of the beautiful things about Big Bang is that it is said that Big Bang created the universe. When we say something like a Big Bang has created the universe, you always want to know what happened before. And as funny or as paradoxical it might sound, there was no before the Big Bang, because the concept of time started from the Big Bang. To understand time, you need to understand how we measure time and how we could measure time. The thing is, time is nothing but a sort of understanding change. You change every day or every month or every year, you will have a gray hair, and that is a change. And you can measure that, and you can say that in maybe in the another next year you will have another gray hair. And so you have made a definition of change, a definition of time, but that will be inconsistent, because another person might have their hair gray at a particular different time. So that's why we settled on the sunrise and the sunsetting of the sun, and we got the definition of the time. But in the essence, time is nothing but change. If there are changes happening, you say time is passing by. If there are no change, you perceive that time is not passing by. Like for example, in the black hole example, you when you go to the edge of the black hole, you just stop, and for you the time doesn't passes because you're not changing. You're just stuck in that forever, and that's what black hole is. Now imagine a scenario in a box, an apple. The environment is nothing. There's just an apple, and the apple doesn't degrade. For you, from your outside, you can say that 100,000, 1 lakh years has passed. Doesn't matter to the apple if it doesn't degrade. From the apple's perspective, no time has passed because there's no before and after. It's just there, no time. And when the Big Bang started, the time started from that instant because there was change, and it kept on going forever, forever, and forever. And now it's going forever, it's expanding. And maybe we'll reach a stage where everything just collapses into the particles is like proton, neutron, or subatomic particles, but it will keep on expanding into such a state that every subatomic particles will reach a state of kind of equilibrium, going nowhere, in a state where nothing changes. And perhaps that would be a state the time will stop because there will be no further change happening. And so we started with no time. Perhaps we might end in a no time. And that's fascinating thing about Big Bang. That's it, guys. See you next time.